Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Mighty warrior, great in battle, Jehovah is your name. Mighty warrior, great in battle, Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Hallelujah. Jehovah is your name. We bless your name, God. Jehovah is your name. You alone are worthy, Jehovah. Jehovah is your name. You are a mighty warrior, and you're great. Jehovah is your name. You are a mighty warrior, and you're great. Jehovah is your name. You are a mighty warrior, and you're so great. Jehovah is your name. You are a mighty warrior, and you're so great. Jehovah, 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 you are mighty, and you're great. Jehovah is your name. You are mighty warrior. Yeah, Lord. Yes, Lord. And you're great. Jehovah.
Emily Sonberg.
Rutendo Nyasvisvo.
Mwendo runda wadadisa, inga watipembedza, kupembedza dzinza rese rotutuka, budiriro yako ndedu, iwe musunguru kanondo, onesa wira wotambepo, wazvinzvaka iwe, wandinzvaka.
Continue to not treat it.
Emily Sonberg.
iwe musukuru kanondo ona kana sidesha ona sawira wotambeko
Lekker for life, tender.
Put it. The comments are, first, I would like to thank God for making this day possible. I would like to thank my family for their unwavering support and prayers. I love you, Mom, Dad, and Kudzai. Did I pronounce that correctly?
Kudzai.
Kudzai. Daddy, thank you for the endless sacrifices. To my best friend, Sanda, thank you for being my shoulder to cry on and lean on. We did it.
We're good?
Which way we go? This way? All right. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you.
We can take it. Can you have a picture? It's kind of exciting. There you go. And this camera is betraying me. Thank you.
Come back. I really appreciate you taking the time to support Tendo. And with that, I would like to congratulate Dr. Rutendo Nyasvisvo on successfully defending her project. It'll feel very weird. Doctor. No, you'll say don't say that. Okay, you'll get used to the title, and it's very, very well deserved. So like Monday or Tuesday, but your assignment between now and Monday or Tuesday is to take a deep breath, relax, and enjoy yourself, and then we'll finish up these last couple of documents and you'll be done, okay? Thank you so much. You're very welcome. You've done a wonderful job, and you should be very proud of your accomplishment.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Lori.
Congratulations, Tendo. Job well done.
Congratulations, Tendo.
You've done an amazing job.
Thank you so much, Dr. McKay. I appreciate it. Thank you all the support. I don't know where these people are. Come on.
Congrats, Tendo.
Thank you. And I'll ask the rest of the gallery to sign off, please.
Madam Chair, if you can allow me humbly, my name is Rutendo Nyasvisvo. I'm Tendo's father. I want to take this moment to express my sincere gratitude to the whole faculty and also the team that worked tirelessly with Tendo. Should not have been here without your support. Thank you so much. And I also want to say to Rutendo, I'm super proud of you. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, Wendy. Yeah, I'm sure you are very proud of her. She has worked extraordinarily hard with a population in the United States that can be very challenging to work with. And she's done a really exceptional job, and your pride is well deserved, sir.
Thank you.
It really is. She's a wonderful lady for lots of different reasons.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're very welcome. And then we figured out it was you after 4.
Ndinotenda sei mama, mama, maiyo, maiyo, imamai. Ndinotenda sei ko mama, mama, maiyo, maiyo, nayo ma. Maifara nini kanandaichema misodzi maivisa rudo rwenyu rukuru kwandiri amai ndoita semusipo mama zvinohambizire ndinotenda seiko ma.
Wakaita shiwa, wakaita bunga, wakaita hako muno. Ndizo zvakanaka. Shiwa ndiri kufara fanya mbuya wako. Ndiri kufara sister, kufara shaita. Wakaita hako muno, wakaita tuni. Wakaita hako shiwa. Asi uye ndikuone Rutendo. Uye ndikuone ndatashisonewe ndakanganwa. Uye bonga. Uye kuno.
Ndinotenda wakaita hako zvikuru, wakatoita basa chaizvo. Dai waramba uchingoita kuti zviite muchiramba muchingonamata kuti Mwari atiwedzere mamwe makomborero. Wakaita hako bonga izvozvo.
Guys,
Hello guys.
tira kutenda Mwari nenguva yavatisvitsawo pakufara tichipemberera chiremba wedu wemhuri anova Rutendo Nyasvisvo. Tinotenda nebasa guru kwakabva ndokure mwanangu, wakashanda nesimba ukaramba wakatarisa kumberi dzamara wabata chawanga wachiwawarira kuti ubate. Pazuva ranhasi tiri kuno kuSouth Africa, Cape Town. Tiri kutenda nekufara nebasa rawakaita. Mwari waramba wachikutungamirira, Mwari waramba wainewe mukati mebasa irori. Ibasa rinokosha, daukudza nekukutenda uyezve kuti watidadisa semhuri, watiisawo pachimiro chakakwirira chaizvo. Tinoti
Tinotenda Mwari Tendo mwanangu. Wakamira Mwari vachikubatsira kusvika pauri nhasi. Wakunzi Dr. Tendo. Dr. Nyasvisvo.
Exactly.
Aiwa, tinotenda Mwari. To make us proud really. Tiri kunzwa tine mufaro chaiwo. Aiwa, chitsvambe chawapa kuvamwe vako, vanina vako nehanzvadzi dzako. Aiwa, tinotenda Mwari. Kuna mai guru nabanguru makarwisa,
makaita basa.
Thank you so much. Ndarakudzi. Aiwa, tinotenda Mwari. Congratulations daughter.
Congrats my sister. Makarwisa, tinozviziva kuti zvakaoma. Hazvizi nyore kungoti wane degree university. Saka we understand, and I'm very very proud of you, and keep on inspiring us, and we'll definitely keep on looking up to you. Saka makorokota muine zuva rakanaka sisi, yamuramba makadaro.
Congratulations Tendo.
Modya nepedu ikoko. Aiwa, tinokudza nekutenda.
May God bless you.
Chidio.
Wow, congratulations Rutendo. I'm happy, I'm super excited. I am so humbled. Rutendo, you have done it. Thanks be to the Lord Most High. We have been with you through and through. And Tendo, you have shown and set yet at another time a good example to your youngsters, your sisters growing up, that everything is achievable. And being so far away, but you remain a pillar of strength, a reference point to your sisters growing up, and what you have done set the pace and says it all. I'm so happy. May the Lord bless you. May the Lord continue to show you and lighten up your path so that you achieve more and more and more. We are so happy, and may God bless you. You are such a good example, and you have done this for the family, not only for yourself but even for the family. So this is our joy, this is our celebration. May the Lord be blessed, and may all glory and honor be unto him. Thank you.
Nasinde zvedu ita makorokoto kwati wedu wadadisa wazvinzwaka njakutengera pata njakutengera siripasi zvese izvo zvinchakutengera wadadisa makorokoto mwana makorokoto makuru tiri kufara watidadisa chakutengera siripasi uya kuZimbabwe ndikutengere siripasi mwana makorokoto murambe makadaro maita henyu nekuratidza vanin'ina venyu gwara rekutevedza murambe muchingoita zvakanaka vagowana kukopera zvakanaka.
Congrats Sisuru, thank you for setting such a good example for us so that we can follow your footsteps. May you please keep on doing well. Thank you so much. Congratulations. Love you.
Greetings to you sister. Congratulations, sister. Thank you for being a good doctor. Please I hope you go well, and I wish that you can be a good doctor so that you can also teach me that I can be a doctor, because you know that when I grow up I want to be a doctor. Thank you. Congratulations. Congratulations, you sister. Love you.
I'm very happy, auntie. You did the best. I wish to Zimbabwe, I'm very happy because you did the best. It's very extraordinary. I'm really happy. I can say congratulations. It's the best of all.
Congratulations, we're so proud of you. We wish you the best in your new role. Enjoy your day.
We love you.
Hi family and friends, you must be having a good time. I wish I were there. Where do I I wish I were there. Tendo, this is just to say makorokoto. Congratulations, my sister. I am super happy. I was very on Dr. Nyasvisvo. Wesa studied Pamsoro up. You've set the standard for everyone. I am just so happy. I wish you all the best in your career path and your future endeavors. May God bless you. And you know what? Today, just soak in the moment, enjoy with family and friends. And you guys, please shower her with some love, with some support. She deserves it. She works so hard. So Tendo, enjoy the moment, enjoy it, love. We're there in spirit, and we're praying that everything goes well for you. I love you.
Para
ndinofara wadadisa rutendo wedu uriko here kana uriko weva maoko isu ndinofara isu ndinofara wadadisa. Congratulations, Tendo.
Hi Tendo, congratulations, Makoro Koto. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day.
Hey Tendo, it's Tien over here. I just want to congratulate you on getting your doctorate. I'm so happy for you and I'm super proud of you. You're such an inspiration to me personally and to so many others out there, I'm sure, that indeed the sky is the limit and one day we can all be standing where you are right now and we can achieve great things in our academics. Hope you get to enjoy your day today along with friends and family over there. Makoro Koto Chiwa, continue to do us proud.
Say, hi Tendo, I only know of a few people that can inspire others to achieve greatness in life. You are one of those people. Your drive and passion are infectious. Congratulations on your success, Dr. Tendo. Don't forget to take a moment to enjoy it. You did it, Tendo. I'm so proud of you, dearest. Congratulations from Nyasha.
Hi, Mama Rutendo. It's Charmaine. I am very proud of you on becoming a graduate, and I wish that you keep moving ahead in your life and keep adding more achievements in your book of life. I am blessed to have a person like you who has earned this great success through constant effort and dedication. Congratulations, Mommy, or should I say Dr. Rutendo, you made it. We are so proud of you. Congratulations. Hope it's a good one. Mwah. Lots of love.
Congratulations, Msukuru Rutendo. I'm so happy for your achievement. May the Lord continue to bless you as you'll be working with people. I'm so happy, Makorokoto Chiwa, Makorokoto. I want to leave this verse with you that is found in Ephesians 3:20. Now to him who is able to do immeasurable more than all we ask or imagine. He is the one who made it possible. We didn't even imagine that you would be a doctor, Msukuru. Congratulations. Ooh.
Hello Tendo, how are you, my sweetheart? Urise msukuru wangu. Tukunzwa kufara zvakanyanyisa nekudzamirwa at the same time. Tiri kuti makorokoto kwauri. Congratulations kwauri. Tinotenda Mwari zvakanyanya nepawakusvitsa mukati mezuva ranhasi. Inyasha dzavo dzatiri kungoona mukati meupenyu hwako. Tinotenda zvakanyanya semhuri. We are so proud of you and we love you lots. You have proved it all. Kumhuri yose kuti nothing is impossible as long as you take the first step. You proved it, my sweetheart. I remember last time patakaita video clip for your first graduation. Katikogo, I don't want to get married before I got my master's. Now you have done it again. You challenged us. All of us. We're so proud of you, my sweetheart. And they always say an investment in knowledge pays the best interests. We're so proud of you, my sweetheart. Keep shining in your journey. Enjoy your journey as much as the dream also. Tozoda kutendawo zvekare baba namai Nyasvisvo. Kwambo wangu natete. Aiwa, we salute you guys. We salute you. Nerudo rwenyu rwamunongoratidza kuvana. Muchingoramba muchingovaratidza gwara rakanaka reupenyu. Rambai muchingoenderera mberi nebasa rakanaka. Mukomborerwe pana zvose nerudo rwenyu rwose ngarurambe ruchingoenderera mberi. We know that it wasn't an easy road, but makangoramba makangobatira pana Mwari. Pazvairema maingoramba muchingotsvaga chiso chaMwari kusvika pari nhasi tiri kungoramba tichingoona mabasa ake makuru. Tinotenda zvakanyanyisa, zvirambe zvakadaro. We love you lots, we love you all. Bye.
Rutendo, I just want to say congratulations. I am so proud of you and excited to see what the future has in store for you. All right, bye.
Hi, my name is Oximoyo. I'm Tendo's friend and sister. To me, Tendo is my day one. When I first moved to America, Tendo was the first person I saw. She and her family came to pick me up from the airport, ordered some Subway for me, which was really good because it was new food for me. But from then on, Tendo became a close friend, and I consider her as my sister. Tendo has such a kind, gentle, and genuine soul. If you do get close to her and know her, you would know that she is so genuine in her loving, and she will really, like, if you have anything that you need help with, she's always there to help you. And we've had so many great moments with Tendo, and I always have a great time when I'm hanging out with her. And Tendo, I am so proud of you. Thank you for not giving up. I know that the path you took was not easy at all. It was challenging, but you stayed on it, you persevered, and now you're graduating. Oh my gosh. I still remember you going to nursing school and stuff, but now you are graduating, you're a doctor. So I know your patients are so lucky and are going to appreciate you and having you as their provider. In Shona we say makoro koto. I am so proud of you, girl. Thanks for doing this. You didn't just open path, you didn't open doors for yourself, but you opened doors for all of us and the next generation, and making this path easier or manageable for other people that are going to come and follow this path. So, Makoro Koto, once again, congratulations, Dr. Nyasvisvo.
Rutendo, this is my guru. Today I find myself just bubbling with joy and praising God for blessing you with this accomplishment. You have been diligent, you have been hardworking, and you've been persistent. And because of that, we are celebrating you today. Our very own Dr. Rutendo Nyasvisvo. Oh, what a mighty God. May He continue to open up doors that are beyond our imagination, and we'll continue to celebrate you with each milestone in this life. And may you choose to honor Him with your life as well. Congratulations again, Dr. Rutendo Nyasvisvo. It feels so good to say that.
Hi, Linda. We are that. Wow. Anyway, I can't contain the excitement, to be honest. But in thinking about what I wanted to say in this video, the thought of wearing this sweater came to mind. I don't know if you remember the time we ran into each other in Manitou, and then we took a picture together, and we were thumbs up because we were wearing matching sweaters that day. Shout out to GV, because that's where we met. I will always thank GV for that. But I just want to say congratulations to you. So proud of you. I am in such admiration of the woman you are and the hard worker that you are. I love you so much. and I'm forever rooting for you. And I'm so happy to see the product of your hard work, of your consistent hard work from when I first met you in 2013 to today, 2021, a whole doctor of nursing practice. What did you do? That. You did that. Honestly, there aren't enough words, but I hope to give you a big hug when I see you. I love you. I'm so, so, so proud of you. I'm so thankful for you, and I know that your patients and the people you're going to serve are just going to be blessed abundantly. So, congratulations, doctor. Yes! Okay, bye.
Well done, Tendo.
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 Makorokoto, makorokoto, makorokoto mzukuru.
Emchope, makorokoto zvinotendwa.
Toda kutenda Mwari nekukutungamirira mumastudies ako kusvika pavakusvitsa, tichishuvira kuti wakukomborere mune zvimwe zvauchaita. Toda kutenda nekushingirira kwawakaita. Nhasi tiri kufara, watiitira zvinhu zvakanaka. Tiri kufara nezvawatiitira mukati memhuri. Makorokoto, congratulations, Yamklope.
Watifadza Faith, watifadza tafara, waita Rutendo. Idi wakarwa, wakashinga wakamira, makorokoto. Ndozvinoita vechiwa, vanoshinga vachiita. Idi Mwari akakutungamirira kusvika usvika pauri. Itazve kuti urambe uri paari Mwari akutungamirirezve pane chimwe chidanho chepamberi. Makorokoto, uti kuna kudzaitewo zvawakaita. Amen.
Mazuva ose Mwari munotigonera. Dr. Rutendo Nyasvisvo, Mwari vatigonera through you. We are so proud of you, baby girl. Please continue soaring. Don't ever forget how the Lord has brought you thus far. Tinodada newe mwanangu. Love you. God bless you. Congratulations, baby girl.
Dr. Nyasvisvo, makorokoto. Tinotenda. God has been good, and we just pray that you continue on the knees, thanking God for everything that He has done for you and your family. We are proud of you. May God bless you. Amen.
Amen. Tinongomutenda. Mwari unotigonera.
Hey Tendo, congratulations on your graduation. That's amazing. That's a really huge milestone. I'm really glad that you made it here, and I know it was a lot of hard work, took a long time, but you finally got it. So that's amazing. I'm really proud of you and happy for you. I wish you all the best moving on. Yeah, can't wait to see you again and celebrate in person. All right, congrats.
Hi everyone, my name is Mary. I'm Tendo's friend. I just wanted to say a big congratulations to Dr. Rutendo Nyasvisvo. A big congratulations to you on obtaining your doctorate in nursing practice. It is a terminal degree, and I'm really happy for you. I'm happy that I had you in this program, and I pray that as you go out there, you're going to be the first and not the last, the head and not the tail, and you're going to conquer the world. Thank you.
Hi, Tendo.
Hi, Tendo.
Congratulations.
Congrats. We're proud of you.
Dr. Nyasvisvo.
Yes.
Hello, Dr. Tendo. This is Gwen reporting live from CMU's
lively, and this is just to say a massive congratulations to you on finishing your DNP. I know the journey wasn't easy, but you made it to the end, and I'm so proud of you. This just shows your resilience, your hard work, your perseverance, and just tell a lot for us to learn from. And I really admire you, and I hope that today you take time to enjoy your day, dance, celebrate, because you deserve it. You earned it. You're just black girl magic. Young, educated, gets in it, and it's so inspirational for me and other girls around. So please keep being you, keep soaring, and once again, congratulations. I love you. Bye.
Rutendo akabudirira muchikoro akazvibata uyu mwanasikana uyu. 2021 uno ngatichinje tirasi zvekare titange zvito kuenderera mberi. Ndinonzi mbuyana zvinachiramba kusakara ini ndikuona zvikombero zvakatadza kuonekwa nevamwe. Munozviti kudii? Ndiri kukukumbirisai rudo harutengwa, haruna mari, haruna murombo. Munhu wese akakomborerwa anopiwa rudo. Ngatiitirane rudo makorokoto Rutendo muzukuru iwe. Chasara kunamatira basa nekuona baba munini vanonakidza vanogara nerufaro mumba. Ndonga ndiri kukumbira bedzi. Inini handisina chimwe chandichada kudya, ndinongodya madiro, kupfeka ndinongopfeka madiro. Tarisai kubva kumusoro kudzika pasi. Kungochena bedzi, ndichicheneswa nenyuwa zvikuru nana baba venyu nana mai venyu. Wakaita usimbe hwekudya wachitsenga kumbedza wachitadza, wakashaya basa. Ini ndiri kuonerera henyu. Ngatitende Mwari, ngatirumbidze Mwari. Tendo chiwa, Mwari ndakudzwe muzukuru chiwa iwe. Mwari ngakudzwe. Ndiri kukwira munzira yekudenga, misi yese ndichinama tamunzira, denzi ndikwidze kudenga, ndisimudze ndimisonyi Mwari babange, rudavi romudenga, ari nzvimbo yakwirira, tenzi ndimise denga.
Congratulations, Tendo! I am so proud of you, and big congratulations. You are so deserving, Tendo. You are hardworking. You are so kind. You are so funny. You are so beautiful. And you just balance life with so much grace. It's so inspiring. I love you. I loved you from the beginning. I love you now, and I'll continue to love you, and I'll continue to support you, and I'll continue to pray with you, pray for you, and just rooting for you and cheering you on. And I am so blessed to be able to witness God working in your life, and so grateful to see you acknowledge Him and know that deep down, know that He is to be praised, and all glory to Him. You are amazing. You are amazing. You are amazing. And when I think of you now, I think of a specific memory that's stuck in my head that will probably never leave. But I remember when I was laying in bed, in Mary Free bed, and I woke up in the morning and I looked across and I saw a nurse wearing scrubs at like 6 a.m. and it was you. And I just started crying because I was overwhelmed with love and joy, and just like how you used to get off your shifts and at work and just come see me and made me feel so special. And you love me, you care for me, and I love you and I care for you, and I want you to know that I was here for you. And congratulations, and we'll be celebrating a lot more blessings in the life to come. Love you and congrats, and I hope to celebrate with you in person. I love you so much.
My tea, Rutendo Nyasvisvo. I am so proud of you. Wow. It's an amazing thing that you've done and how far God has brought you. It's amazing because we've been friends for a long time. So I've seen what the journey has been like for you from the beginning and to see where you're at now. And that's with all the ups and downs and things that the Lord has brought you through. And here you are, DPT. I had to think about that. Doctorate. DNP. Don't mind me. But no, that is an amazing accomplishment. Nothing to be taken for granted. And just listening to you when you were doing your presentation for graduation, that was amazing. Seeing the amount of work that you put into this and how passionate you're about it, and even just talking to you. So I know that this is only the beginning. Congratulations. I love you very much.
Unondipasa manyemwe wazhinzwa wandinzwa. Unondipasa manyemwe maitiro ako Rutendo Nyasvisvo. Unondipasa manyemwe. So manyemwe. Unondipasa manyemwe. Unondipasa manyemwe. Maitiro ako Rutendo Nyasvisvo. Unondipasa manyemwe. Maitiro yenyu bonga imi. Hi Sandra.
How you doing?
Fine. Kunda. You're welcome. Congrats, Jack. Wow, Funda. Wow, Funda. Maitiro ako Rutendo Nyasvisvo.
How was it? You know you love to ask, how did I do?
Man, you are so articulate. You are right. I mean, you did well. You did well.
That's okay.
That's the way, guys.
You guys don't know who you left at this table. I'm about to finish this cake. You tired?
taiswedzidza not makorokoto manangue avanaswatitata ichakutengera patapata ichakutengera patapata ndokutengera siripa ichakutengera patapata.
He's done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough. Tuku nakwama really. When you hear completely. Chuku my robe and more. If he can do that, we say what shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done so very much for me. Come on, everybody. What shall I render to Jehovah? Hey! For he has done so very much for me. Nara, 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 eh. Narekele, narekele mo. We sing nara, 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 eh. Narekele, narekele mo. Narekele Julia, narekele Julia, narekele Julia, narekele Julia. What shall I render to Jehovah? For he has done. What shall I render to Jehovah?
Lift your hands.
Narekelemo.
One more time. Tell the church. Hey. Lift your hands. You alone deserve the glory, Jesus. You alone deserve the praise. For the last time, what shall I render? Come on, let him know. Jehovah, for he has done so very. For he has done so very much. He's done so much for you. What shall I render to Jehovah? To Jehovah. Come on, everybody declare. For he has done so very much for me. Come on, everybody, help me celebrate. Travis